Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to talk about grip strips, or these are called clear non-slip tape by Red Cat. I'll put a link in the description from Amazon where you can pick these up. And basically what they are is they're clear adhesive strips for phones, laptops, any kind of device you don't want to drop and damage. Just gives you a little more excuse me, gives you a little more grip. So here we have my Sony 4K camera. About 4 weeks ago I dropped this on the floor, on the concrete floor, and it wouldn't work. Turns out it was just a bad battery. The battery got squashed. Anyway, so I put these strips on this camera to make it less prone to dropping. So now it's got real good grip. Don't have to worry about it flopping on my hands or dropping on my hands. So I'm going to show you how to insert or just to cut a piece and apply it on here. They come off fairly easy, so it's not a permanent solution or a permanent fix. If you don't like them, you can take them back off, no problem. So let's get one cut up right now, and I'll show you how they work. Okay, here we're going to have one cut up, and we're going to stick it on right here. There's a piece missing. So just grab your scissors. You can use a ruler and an X-Acto knife if you want. We'll just do I up new by scissors. Put it on.
Three hours later.
There you go. Inside. Put it right here. Press it down and it's installed. Just gives you a little more grip and peace of mind of dropping your precious gadgets. Like I said, I'll put a link to Amazon below where you can pick up this clear tape. And you can make other designs if you want. I have them on my laptop and computer as well, just to make sure I don't drop out the computer. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price, Natty Design Studio, and Random User 910. You can be here too. Link below.